Have you seen those adorable crochet cooking videos blowing up all over social media? They look super complicated to make, but here's the crazy part. You can actually create one yourself in just a few minutes. Step 1. Get the prompt. This is the master prompt we're going to use to create our AI crochet ASMR cooking video. I've already put the prompt on my website, and you can find the link in the description. The cool thing is, you don't have to rewrite the whole prompt every time. You only need to enter the name of the food you want to make. For example, let's say I want to make sushi. Now open ChatGPT or Google Gemini, paste the master prompt into the chat, and hit send. ChatGPT will automatically generate a complete, ready-to-use video prompt for you. Once it's generated, simply copy the prompt. That's it. Now we're ready to turn that prompt into an actual video. Step 2. Generate the video. Next, go to Google Flow and log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, create a new project. For the generation settings, make sure you're using video generation with the ingredients option. Set the aspect ratio to portrait 9:16 so the video is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and other vertical platforms. For the video model, select Omni Flash and set the duration to the maximum 10 seconds. Now paste the video prompt we just copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. And finally, hit send. Now just sit back and wait a few minutes while Google Flow generates your video. And there you go. Your AI crochet ASMR cooking video is ready. So if you've been seeing these crochet ASMR cooking videos everywhere and wondering how people make them, now you know. Just grab the master prompt from the link in the description, choose your favorite food, and start creating. Who knows, your next AI video might be the one that goes viral.